1200, or what I say, 2200.
1200 sounds good. All right, y'all, what's good? It's Bo with Soul Swapping, and we're here today at Dallas Gotsole. Last event of the year. We're super excited to be here, vending and buying today, mostly selling. Hopefully we sell a lot of pairs. So check out the vid. Hopefully you guys love it. And we will see you guys in our next video just to wrap up 2024. Awesome year. We sold a lot of shoes. I can't wait to recap it for all you guys. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. If you haven't already, subscribe. Let's get into it. Some cashing out and selling some shoes all day long. First deal of the day, we got the Gibson. This is the guitar case SB. As you guys know, usually I don't really do the old SB stuff. This kind of came randomly, and this is the fucking homie when it comes to the old SBs, bro. Shout out all your stuff real quick.
So clamps, kicks everywhere, CLAMS, Instagram, whatnot. That's it.
It's got motion on whatnot too, bro. But tap in with my guy. He's got all the old SBs that you can think of. Some other stuff too, but really what he's known for is some cool SBs like this. Here's what we're doing. We got a $600, $800 coin flip. Risky business, all right? I got a coin. You want me to flip it and who you're calling, or what do you want to do?
You flip, I call. That's
okay,
cool.
all right.
Yeah.
You got heads, you got tails. You want a high or low?
Wherever, bro.
All right, let's do it.
Tails.
He said tails. That's a tail, bro. Good shit. Congrats. $600 bucks. That's a steal. If you haven't already tapped in with my boy Jason and we did a SwapCon video where we cashed out at the event, bought about 100 pairs of shoes at the event. It was super dope. That video went live on Monday, so go check that out. It's the guy Jason, bro.
I appreciate y'all for coming out to the last one. We'll be back for the first show of the year, February 1st at Dallas Market Hall. Make sure y'all pull up, buy, sell, swap.
Shit was lit last time. Y'all can't miss this next one, I'm telling you. What about the Presto? Is this huge?
That one very nice Presto one with a little bit of wrinkles and stuff. But like this one looks very near this.
They look good, yeah.
That one's clean. That one's the one a little bit more used.
So what do you want on? Yeah.
Which one? On that one?
Yeah, this one, I'd probably prefer this one just because there's a little too clean.
Yeah, you can wear
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly.
So what about, yeah, what would
I
you
can
do?
work something with you.
These three?
Let's see. You want the used pair or the new
No,
pair?
I want the new pair. I already have it. I have a really clean used pair already, so.
Nice. We could do, I think it's like 1080 last sell on that one, so
Okay.
1,000.
That's not bad. Okay. The Presto?
And the Presto, that one's a little more used. OG all. What do you look? What does it say?
So I kind of just look at new, and then I kind
Take
of
all
look
the
at
good
bid, and I kind of see what I could sell it for. That's less than this-ish, but not too far. But it's still a really great shoe. So I'm kind of like, what would you want for it?
I think that one was at 1,400 and the other one was 1,700.
Okay.
Which is cleaner. But what did it say? Brand new? Probably 1,600 new, 1,300 for the used one.
Okay.
Something like that.
All right. Atmos?
The Atmos, you have to help me with that.
Yeah, I don't know. I haven't seen.
I saw them once.
I
they were
just
like
sold my
1,300.
I sold my SB the other day. I
those
didn't get
those
around to wearing them though. You know, like I just wasn't wearing it, so I was like, why not? But this one's weird. It's like ass can be whatever, but they're realistically probably closer
Are
to
they still
around.
reseller for you?
How much would you want for them?
Probably like a rack too. Yeah.
It's honestly not crazy.
It's not too crazy, but I mean, you're Bo, bro. So you
Okay.
tell me.
I can give you 9 on the reverse, just because last sale's 915.
New?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah, because I think that was 1,100 and then 9 or 850 on the used.
Like the
1,000.
I have one that's like worn once, size 13, and I paid like $675. Like it was a good
I paid
deal,
$750 for
good
that
deal. So I'm not saying that you're throwing a bad deal. It's just that I got it for really
What'd
good.
you say, 9?
9, and then the Presto, I'm comfortable at 11. So I can give you 2,000 for both. And then the Atmos, honestly, bro, it's too far for me, and they're too clean for me to really like pay up to 1,000.
I'm okay keeping those.
I that's what I was saying.
I don't
Yeah.
wanna take nothing.
Because like if I were to offer you on the Atmos, it'd be in like the 7 max.
7.
You know what I'm saying? And that's just not.
800. So I'm debating if 800.
I think
works,
that's sold at 850.
Yeah, I
you know what I'm
know,
saying?
I
Like
know.
it's just. But the other ones, it's like that one though, you don't never see that at 13. So it's like.
So you said 2 racks for those two?
Yep.
Let's do 2,400. 22 in the middle.
I'm trying to throw you my best number though.
Oh, were you? I'll do 1,200. Or what did I say? 2,200.
1,200 sounds good.
Do 2,200. I'll throw you an extra 100 off of that.
You want to flip a coin?
Yeah.
You want to do 2,000 or 21 flip? Because I really don't want to pay more than 2,000, but I'll do 2 or 21.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do it.
That work? All right.
Yeah.
Guys, we got a $2,000 or $2,100 coin flip on some dope pair size 13, reverse mocha, brand new size 13, and a really lightly worn off-white Presto OG pair in a 13. Here we go, baby. Call it in the
Here
air.
we go. Tails.
He said tails.
Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
ones, baby. Come on. You got the box on this?
Yes, sir.
You work with me or nah? I would be at 30.
I'll take it.
Cool. That's fine. Pink elephant foam posit with the box size 6, 30 bucks. Are you negotiating today? It's pretty clean. It's just a creasing. Box on this?
Everything I buy.
120? I'll take that. Hey, shout out to Bring It Back. I always buy from them when they come to the event. I always show them love. I might buy something else, but that was a real quick snipe. 120 for a cap and gown 13. One you don't see, bro. Very much sleeper. All right, y'all. So just kind of a little like update on what we're doing today. So we brought 450 pairs, like a lot of pairs. Honestly, pretty crazy. We got them all in here and into one U-Haul. We're trying to get through some inventory because prices are up. So we're gonna take advantage of that right now during the holidays and hopefully go into 2025 pretty cash heavy so we can buy back in whenever prices kind of settle down and new releases come out. So just letting you guys know, like we're not gonna be buying a ton of shoes right now just because market's inflated. There's really no reason for us to pay more just because we have the inventory. That's why September, October, even August, even half of November, we were buying crazy amounts of shoes, you know, to set ourselves up for right now. So, you know, we're mostly trying to get some stuff out the door. So, if you guys want to shop with us, hit me up at Soul Swapping on IG. Let's get some deals done, all right?
Awesome. Now size 11.
Yes.
Yes. How much? 390.
It's just as easy as that. I just made a deal in 10 seconds. He makes it very easy. $390 for a lost and found size 11. I keep forgetting the mic is right here. I'm yelling.
Go follow my guy, Bo. Soul Swapping. Big up. Remo Z, Supreme Highs. Let's go, baby. Hey, and if you don't, donate $10 to the kid. He needs Chipotle.
Tap into the whatnot, baby. You already know. Oh, J-Dub. Dude, I've been knowing people's the tag names. I know everybody. That's dope. Thank you, Bo. I appreciate you.
The last thing was those white Oreo fools.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah. How you been?
Great, man. Can't complain.
I was worried about you after that night. With
Don't talk about it. I can do 320 on it. They're at like 330 now on the market.
He was going to come down to 310.
That's cool. If he said that, that's fine. 310's cool. Awesome. Deal. Thank you guys for the business for your brother. What's your name? Caden. I'm Bo. Say what's up to the camera.
Caden VIs, follow me on Instagram.
Follow my boy. 10.5 wet cement. Gone. Out the door. You doing good, boss?
Yeah, can I try these on real quick?
Yeah, of course. You need the 11? I got you, bro. How they fit? Oh, no. They fit good. I don't know. 325. I knew 320. Good negotiator. Start him out young. How old are you? 14? You're kidding. No, I mean, you look older than 14. Damn. I just got worked by a 14-year-old that does not look 14. What's your name, bro?
Noah.
Noah. Appreciate the purchase, bro. Size 11, Philly. Out the door. You need a 6 Yellow Thunder? I have a 6. Yeah. 230. What are you paying on it?
90.
It's not bad. I'll do 2. Men's and grade school. Depends on the size. I know that 7's going for stupid right now. 4.5 and 4, 190, 5.5, 230, 6.5, 250, 6, 240, 7, 260. Pretty much like ask on most of them. 3?
And 190.
Nah, I'd be firm at 2. It's a Thunder. This shoe's 480. I'll do 280 and 2. Cool. I think the 6, both of them are gonna be up there. I'll come around. That's for you. They should be in there.
Socks?
You want them? Oh, Soul Provider? We found socks in the box.
Time to low ball.
Hell no.
What's up, big dog?
Not to me.
What's up? Now we would never do that to you.
Sure, I have multiples of a lot of the stuff that's out, like Travis and stuff, Off-White 4s, all that stuff.
Yeah, for action though.
Yeah, 8, 9, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12. All right, so above 10.5 up.
9. So you have
9. He already said he wasn't gonna do that to me. Substitute? We gonna sub out?
I'm out, man.
Why'd you short, not to low ball?
But probably like 9 to like.
9 and up. Okay. You want me to just list off what I got him at or what?
You got a store now?
No.
What, just social media?
Yeah, I did YouTube, whatnot. You know it is. You know.
I seen the White House stuff, let's go.
I've been doing some dumb shit though, bro. Y'all are legit business. Me on the other hand, I just be bullshitting low key.
That's for you. Have fun with it.
I've been doing just like quick streams, like 45 minutes an hour, make a couple hundred off like $2,000, and like the margin's fucking nasty. But Like I'll just do that quick, but I'll go live consistent so they see me more, and then it translates. That's like how I think of it. Because the long streams, bro, like y'all got the views, right? But like if I get like 100 people, right, I can only sustain that for however long. So it's like I'd rather just try again the next day over, you know what I'm saying? 9, 1950, 10 and a half, 2050, 11 same, 11 and a half same, 12 same. All of them 2050. I know I'm below on most of them, but I know y'all gotta make some. They went up a little bit. I did all my prices this morning, so.
Yeah, you're not gonna like our offer. Honestly, we're probably like 17.50 on some of the best.
Damn, Brandon offered me more than that yesterday.
Fuck Brandon, where you at? Fuck Common Height.
What did you want? What's the lowest for all of it? Lowest on all of them.
I do under 2,000 if you take all of them, but it'd be like 1950.
So hard getting them shits, bro. How much one is?
Too much.
450?
That's why I paid. I've been selling them for like hotcakes for like 50. Yeah, that was the in Cali price. I was the shipped price. Yeah.
How much for these?
10 and a half, 420.
350?
Oh no. Whoa, why are we going so low?
4, buy now.
Mine now's at 4.
You know we be selling it for over all the time. Yeah, I would do 380. That'd be my best.
Okay, that'll make some money.
I ain't mad at you.
No, I understand. Thank you guys, though. I appreciate it. Have a good one. No. It's a military black. I'll keep them. I'll do 280. That'd be my best. Do me a favor, just for you. They're gonna bleed over on the others. I'll show you here. Show me the shoe real quick. If you hold them like that, the tongue, see how it's on the top? It bleeds right onto the cage of the other shoe. So you need to wrap it. If you don't wrap it, it will bleed. By the time you get home, you'll have like your cage right here will get really blue. It's like bad. So I'll wrap it for you. I got you. Here you go, bro. What's your name?
Cole.
Cole? What's up? I'm Bo. Good to meet you, bro. You need change? I got you. There you go, sir. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Y'all have a great day. Good to see you, big dog. What size you need? Nah, that's a women's shoe. So what size are you in women's? 9 women's? Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Yeah, I got a little YouTube, little something.
Okay.
Say what's up, say what's up, say what's up.
Hey,
Y'all gotta buy something now. Nah, I'm playing. 9 women's, 360. Yeah. That black one down there? 9 women's, you need 7.5. That one I don't have. That's a 7.5 men's. If you 9 women's, I don't got that one. Which one? That one? What size are you? 9.5 women's. I might have an 8 men's. Hold on. 8.5 men's. I thought you said you 8.5. Wait.
no, my women's size is a 9.
That means you're a 7.5 men's.
You can wear 8.5 because you wear my size. Yeah, I can wear 8.5.
Oh, okay. I mean, all
You
right.
only have one size of them?
No, I only have one 8 and one 8.5, so I got one of each.
No, I'm not an 8.
So the 8's 350,
Oh, okay.
8.5 is 340, so they're like pretty the same size. Or same price, my bad.
We're going to have to keep that in mind.
These I know, I think I have both of y'all size in. Like I have like a 9 women's, which is correct, and then a 9.5 women's. I got both, I think.
I get pink, you get black and white.
And then these are different too.
You got my size.
I have a 7.5 men's, 9 women's right there, and then I sold the 8, the 9.5. I mean,
Don't subscribe to
Type
YouTube,
shit.
y'all.
Nah, don't do
subscribe
it. Don't
to
do
YouTube.
it. Big mistake. Big mistake.
Big mistake, right.
You know what I'm saying? Waste of time.
LOL. Don't sell these.
They sell it.
I don't know, I like it.
That's your size.
How much?
180.
Where's my mother?
She gonna like that? That's what you. That's what you think it is.
Just flip it over. I don't even know. Oh.
Yeah, check it out.
Bar. What do we think this is?
Show the camera. Show the camera. Chat. What is that? What is that?
But it is what's called comment.
Right.
These are all yours, right? Did you do 360 for those right there? 21.
Taking my good one, huh? My cotton candy
Oh, yeah,
one.
he got the other one.
My cotton candy one.
Come on, man. 360.
Let's flip a coin. 380 or 360. My price or your price?
All right.
Is that cool?
I don't got a coin, though.
I got one.
Okay.
Brandon, you have my coin still? All right, you want it high or low? High. Give me a head, baby. That's tail. I don't want to talk to you right now. Get out, Mom. I appreciate you guys, though. Thank you. I already cut the price. I already cut the price. I'm helping. Whoa. I thought we were just gonna, you know what I'm saying? No, like that. Come on, man. What is it? 550. That's the middle. That's the best I can do. 550. So 10 more. So 305 and 245 is where I'd be at. Shout out to my boy, and this is like, my boy's name is Too Tall.
Yeah, Too Tall.
With 3 L's apparently.
3 L's, you know, the sneaker cartel.
Listen, I could never. I don't got drip like that. No swag like that, all right? So I already bought 2 pairs that are good. So we're at 280 for these 2 right here. We're at 60 and 220 for the cap and gown right there. A size 14 Red 11. This is the older pair though, 2013? 12? 2012 Bread size 14, and then a really clean size 12 Space Jam. Now, got some interesting flips here today. We did some flips, but this one's definitely the biggest one we've done, other than my boy Clam when we started the video. So, we're doing 160 or 260 on the really clean Space Jam, and then we're doing 230 or 240 on the Bread. Try. Which one do you want to do first?
Let's do Bread.
Bread first. We'll do the calm one first, all right? Am I flipping and you're calling, or what do you want to do?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Land and just call it in there, all right? He said heads. All right, we got a tail. That's a good start. 1-0, 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. All right. So 230 for the Bread. This is the big one though. It's for $100. 160 or 260. Here we go. Heads, tails. You calling it again?
Your turn.
Okay. How do you flip? Do you flip like a normal person though?
I'm gonna flip it.
All right. Let's see it. Yep. Give me a tail, baby. Come on. Oh.
Not trying to hit on you, bro, but bro just lost so much money to me, so I'm just.
Hey, I lost to the next table. I'm going at this table.
So down bad. If you guys can buy this Space Jam off me, please do so for a lot more than I paid. 260 on that one. Fair is fair. So 230, 260 plus 280. So whatever that comes out to, you mathers in the chat. That's what I owe my boy Too Tall. Appreciate you for the business, bro. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, man. Dream team, including behind the camera, killed it today at Dallas Gotsole, Texas Gotsole. Last event of the year. The goal was to sell more than we bought, and I know we did that for 2 reasons. One, I didn't really buy stuff. But number 2 is this team got active, and we definitely sold some stuff today. So I appreciate you guys always. So if you guys didn't know, very behind the scenes, like these guys help me every single year. Joe is kind of a new addition to our little team right here. Big homie of mine, so appreciate you, bro, for helping us out all the time. But Dario and Beeson I've known for a long time, and I'm just really grateful for you guys, so I appreciate you. But couldn't do it without them. Couldn't do it without you guys watching and subscribing. But I had a really successful day. I'm pretty sure we sold about 60 pairs. That's pretty solid. I mean, we brought 450 though, so man, they've been doing the U-Haul. I mean, you can hear it in my voice. I've been filling the U-Haul since 2 in the morning. It's now 7:30, 8 o'clock, so we're about to get out of here, go get some dinner. But I'm very appreciative of everybody who's helped me this year. This is not the last video of 2024. We got a couple more dropping to end the year off, going into 2025. But just wanted to say how grateful I was for everything, because I couldn't do it without people that support me. So if you haven't already and want to continue to support me, go follow us on the socials at the bottom of the screen. Soul Swapping on all platforms. Go tap into our Whatnots, man. That's where we have the most fun, honestly. So we'd love to see you guys tap into a Whatnot, get you a steal for sure. So from the Soul Swapping team, honestly, bro, we're out of here. See you in 2025.
Gotsole, New York. January 11th, we will be there. Come sell us everything. Everything.
It's gonna be crazy. Yeah. I'm telling you, we're starting 2025 with a bang or we get boom. All right.